haven't made a video in a while, and that's because I have been on Whatnot literally every day. So if you miss seeing my face, come on over to Whatnot because I do shows on there every day. You guys ready for this? Okay, in this video, I'm going to present you with some proof that Nicole State has once again scammed people. And I literally just found out, like I got the proof during one of my Whatnot shows, and I don't know why I feel surprised, because this isn't surprising. I guess I'm just surprised that I actually got the proof. Maybe that's why I'm surprised. I'm also disgusted. I need to refer to some screenshots so I get dates right. So on August 27th, Nicole State had a show on Whatnot for the, and I'll put this screenshot up so you guys can see it. But it was a DYRK1A fundraiser. I don't know what that is. I think it's some type of disease, some type of disability. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it was for DYRK1A. In this screenshot, it shows how much money she made, $3,356. After Whatnot fees, it was $2,947.83. You can see on the screenshot, it says, "I'm personally covering the Whatnot fees." And then it says, "Thank you to everyone who helped with the DYRK1A fundraiser. We are mailing them a check for $3,356 today." So again, she had a Whatnot stream where people bought stuff from her because they thought that the money was going to charity. So literally everything she sold for more than she normally would because people thought the money was going to this charity. I don't know how many people donated, but again, she raised $3,356. The next screenshot, a screenshot of the donation page, and she said, "Originally we were going to donate on the race page, but the credit card processing fee is over $100. This is a small foundation, and after talking with them, we decided mailing a check is best." So again, guys, this was on August 27th. Today is September 29th. Well over a month. You ready? You ready for this video? So my homie Emilio, who is EMC Vlogs, called this organization to make sure that she sent the check. Hold on, it's on Dropbox. I gotta go to the website. Okay, here's just a little screenshot of it so you guys know. This is the video. Here we go.
Mail a check instead of doing it online, which I thought was very strange, you know, that doesn't seem right at all.
Right. Okay, so the beginning got cut off, but the rest of the conversation, like you'll get it. So yeah, the beginning got cut off. I just wanted to say that.
Right. No, like I said, there are two methods that we can utilize to not have any processing fees, which I enjoy because then we get the full donation. But definitely send me that information. And I would also be curious on whether the person is connected to, one of our families and, that have the syndrome. And so I just want to make sure that I kind of know who that is and make sure they're not in our group and in our communications and such, so that they're not continuing to do that, to fraud people into thinking they're donating to us and they're really not. So
yeah, so the screenshot that she posted was for the race donation, I believe it says. And it said processing fee $134. So on the post, it says, originally we were going to donate to the race page, but the credit card processing fee is over $100. This is a small foundation, so after talking to them, we decided mailing the check was the best. And the total number was $3,356.
Okay. Yeah. And yeah.
And this was on August 31st.
And I think I've been communicating with someone about that. I think Amy from California.
No, this would be a Nicole from Oregon.
Okay.
But like I said, you would, if a $3,000 donation came in, you would be aware of.
And that's why I'm thinking, like, the amount that you're saying is, somebody was saying that someone was going to be sending us a check. I've been in communication with Amy because.
So yeah, she was smart. She contacted them and said, "Hey, I'm going to send you a check." That was a smart thing to do.
She said that a friend of hers was going to send a check for about that amount.
But it hasn't arrived yet. It's been a month.
And Amy was saying that the person she was talking to said they had sent it in the mail, and I said I haven't seen it. And then she said, "Okay, they're going to send another one. If you get that one, then just shred it."
Which, how fishy does that sound? Like I said, this person has defrauded the Postal Service. She's a well-known reseller, and she's like I said, raised money for charity. She's done different things, and a few of us kind of were just getting like a slide eye, it just didn't seem right. So we gave it a few weeks so that way, she couldn't use that excuse of, the check got lost or got lost in the mail or the USPS was taking a while. So, she did this stream on August 27th, and then August 31st is when she was mailing out the check. So now it's, basically a month. You guys still haven't received it. And like I said, there was probably at least 50 to maybe 100 people that donated to this. So yeah, that's not right at all. So let me grab your email.
Okay, I'm not going to include the part where she says her email because I don't want, I know there's going to be Nicole State supporters that watch this video and they're probably going to email her, but I don't want to include that part. But yeah, oh, guys, of course. I'm confused about the Amy from California. I don't know, was she doing this for a family that had this, illness, disease, whatever it is, and that's who the person is, the Amy from California? Then they were in contact with Amy, not Nicole, and Nicole told Amy, "Oh yeah, I sent the check." And then they're like, "Oh no, we haven't received it." And she's like, "Oh, I'll send a second check." Guys, come on. The check got lost in the mail. That absolutely 100% was going to be her excuse. Yes, absolutely. I called that from a mile away. And then she sent a second check and that one didn't arrive either? Really? Really? Let me play you guys the ending of the video. Again, I don't want to include her email address.
We needed to, if you guys don't receive the money, then we need to report her for the platform, because like I said, she did a charity stream on this platform, $3,500, and if you guys don't receive the money, that means it just went straight to her pocket, and there needs to be some repercussions on her end. So what is a good email for you? 1A. Okay. Awesome. I will be sending you emails, and then I guess we'll be in contact. I'm hoping that she does the right thing, and hopefully that that second check comes through and you guys do get that donation. But I guess we'll go from there.
Yeah. Okay. I appreciate you reaching out and making sure that this is not a fraud situation. So hoping it's not. But
yeah, exactly. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Okay.
No words. Even though I knew that it was only a matter of time before she scammed again. She did go a good year. I think it was about a year. Her last scamming incident happened that we know of. She could have had other scams during that year, but that we know of. It's been a year, which is what she does. She goes through patterns. She scams. Then she's okay for a while. Then she makes YouTube apology videos and then everything's good. And people are like, "Oh, I forgive you." And then she deletes the videos. And guys, if you still support Nicole State after this, after seeing the proof that she literally went on Whatnot, had a charity stream and did not send the money, if you still support her after this, I don't have any words for you. This isn't about me at all. And I know some people are going to twist things and be like, "Oh, Vanessa's starting drama again." It's no, I'm trying to look out for people. And I'm telling you guys got played by her once again. I have a contact at Whatnot, and I'm absolutely going to probably just send them this video. If you guys want to, you can report her to Whatnot as well. If you were in that charity stream and you donated money, you should absolutely report her because she literally stole your money and lied to you. And I know. I'm just waiting for it. I'm just waiting for the Instagram post, or I don't think she'll make a YouTube video about this. She might. I doubt it. There's going to be some excuse. She's going to be like, I don't even know what she could possibly say. Like the check lost in the mail. Absolutely. I knew she was going to say that excuse. But if she sent a second check and that one also got lost, she said she sent 2 checks and they haven't received any money. And are we really going to believe Nicole State? Really? I know there's still going to be some people that do and side with her, which is absolutely fucking insane. Because like, what more proof do you need? Like, I don't know. Some of her supporters, she could literally murder someone in front of their eyes and they'll be like, they deserved it or something. They'd come up with some bullshit excuse because she has cult-like followers, and it blows my mind how people still support her even after seeing literal proof that she's a scammer. It doesn't make any sense. Does not make any sense. She absolutely should be kicked off Whatnot. She does not deserve to be on that platform. And hopefully they do the right thing. All right, guys, I'm going to go. I want to get on here and make this video because the word needs to be spread that she has scammed once again with proof. I have proof. This isn't me just trying to start something out of thin air. Literal proof. And again, if you still support her, I literally have no words. I'm hopefully going to get back to making videos soon because I do miss making YouTube videos. But for now, if you want to see me, if you want to hang out with me, come follow me on Whatnot. I'll have my link down below. And I'm going to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.